All right, so let's go over how we can install the Pattern Builder Word plugin for Word. Now, this can also be centrally deployed, so we'll have another article about doing that, but this is just want to install it on one user. Really, really easy. In Word, on the home page, I'm going to go to Add-ins. We'll click on Get Add-ins, and then we will just do our little search for NetDocuments. They don't call it Pattern Builder, it's NetDocs. See, we'll click Add, Continue. There it is. All right, region, where are you? Again, US, Canada, Germany. I mean, what data center are you using? We'll choose US. Next. Now, I'm using single sign-on, so I do not have an account. I feel like if you're logging in via your Office 365 account, you should kind of know this, so we'll click Need Login Assistance. I want to use my organization's login. If you have just a regular NetDocs account, and that's becoming rarer and rarer, you would have just logged in. We'll just hit Submit here. And then since I'm already logged into Office 365, I'll just hit Allow. All right, and so now I've successfully installed the NetDocs Pattern Builder app. Haven't created any apps yet, so we'll go over some of that in other articles, but that's how you'll get it in there. So this is when we're creating Word documents and we want to create forms and stuff like that in automation. This is going to allow us to actually, um, plug in that stuff so we can easily create forms and stuff like that and use them with Pattern Builder.